Hey, tonight we're gonna make a late night snack because everybody's got late night cravings. We're gonna make a little protein pudding. It's one of my favorites. This is the Bumstead Isolate protein powder. It's chocolate peanut butter. You can find it at Walmart. And then we're gonna use the Okos, probably saying that wrong, Pro 23 grams of protein. Greek yogurt there, and just some almond butter. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. How many grams of almond butter we got you using, babe?
20.
20. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and put 20 grams of almond butter in the bowl. Go ahead and zero your scale out. We'll do is how many grams of yogurt is it? Do you remember?
150.
Look at you. And so we'll just make sure everything's zeroed out on that scale again. That way you're not using measuring cups and you're more precise with your measurements. So we'll use 150 grams of this Greek yogurt. Right, and then all we have to do is add 1 scoop of this whey isolate protein here. Then what you have to do, you have to be very precise with this because you don't want it too watery. So go ahead and mix it up a little bit. Make sure your bowl's big enough so you can mix this up without making a mess. Get over here at your fridge or water source. Just 1, 2, 3 drops there. And mix it up. And make sure you mix it up good before you start adding more water, or you'll make it too soupy. That's a pretty good consistency right off the bat there. If you want it a little thinner, you could add some more water, or if you want to turn it into like a little bit of an ice cream, just put it in the freezer for a little while and it'll turn it into like a little ice cream. You don't need no fancy Ninja Creamy to make healthy snacks at home. There you go.